Meaning of ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale.
Ginger ale. Ginger ale is a non-alcoholic carbonated beverage that is flavored with ginger. It is made by mixing water, ginger, sugar, and sometimes lemon juice, and then adding carbonation. Ginger ale has a spicy and refreshing flavor that many enjoy. It is often used as a mixer in cocktails and is also consumed on its own as a soda. Ginger ale is thought to have originated in Ireland in the 1850s and has since become a popular drink worldwide. Some people also believe that ginger ale has medicinal properties and can help with digestive issues and nausea.